Here we go, guys. Rayo's famous Bolognese sauce. Oh, so good. Just amazing. Amazing smell. Look at that. Look at that pasta, guys. This is the video review and recipe of Rayo's Homestyle Bolognese pasta sauce. Rayo's Homestyle pasta sauce is the sauce that is gaining cult following online. It's the best sauce you can buy at the store. So in this video, we're going to test the Rayo's Homestyle Bolognese tomato sauce with meat. We're going to use the pappardelle pasta. We're going to use pecorino romano cheese. And we're going to use some Kerrygold Irish butter. Here's another view of the Rayo's Homestyle Bolognese sauce pasta. Looks beautiful, topped with pecorino romano cheese. There's only one thing to do. Let's try it out. First bite of the Rayo's Bolognese pasta sauce. Wow. This is 5 out of 5 pasta sauce, guys. This is amazing. Use it with pappardelle because it sticks. Meat sauce sticks to pappardelle better than spaghetti. Minimum you should use is fettuccine. The thicker the pasta, the better the sauce sticks to it. Rayo's Homestyle Bolognese. It's 5 out of 5 star sauce. Amazing. One of the best sauces I ever tried. You can cook it all day, or you can just get Rayo's. The choice is yours. I work I'm busy. I don't have time to cook sauces all day. Not all the time, so I'm gonna get some Rayos. One more bite. Just look at that. Look how good that is. Outstanding. Yep, I'm gonna go back and finish this dish. If you guys are craving some meat sauce, some Bolognese sauce, look no further than Rayo's. It's amazing. It's five out of 5 star sauce. Use it with pecorino romano and pappardelle pasta. It's gonna turn out amazing. It's gonna turn out great, just like this pasta dish did in this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.